We are continuing with the equations of a straight line. Here the question is, find the equation of a line parallel to the line 3x plus 2y equal to 8 and passing through the points 0 and 1. Now we have a line. This is our required line of which we have to find the equation. This line, required line, is parallel to this line whose equation is given. Right? So these two lines are parallel. This is my required line. I have to find the equation of this line. And this line also passes through the point, my required line passes through the point 0 and 1. Now what do I require in order to find the equation of a line? Slope and point. Then I can use point slope form. Right? Now point is given, slope is not given. But one thing is sure, that this line is parallel to this line. So when two lines are parallel, their slopes are equal. So if I can find the slope of this line, that will automatically become the slope of this line. Now I have got the slope, I have got the point, I can use point slope form to find the equation of a required line. Right? So how do I find the slope of this line? I will convert this into the standard form, 3x plus 8. So y is equal to minus 3 by 2 into x plus 8 by 2, which is 4. So the coefficient of x is the slope of this line. Let me name this as m, which is minus 3 by 2. Now I have the slope, I have the point. Let me name this point as p. P is 0 and 1. This is x1 and y1. I can use the formula point slope form to find the equation of my required line. So therefore, equation of a required line is equal to y minus y1 equal to m times x minus x1. This is the formula of a point slope form, right? So y, what is my y1? 1. What is my m? I have just now calculated 3 by 2 x minus 0. So let me cross multiply. This becomes 2y minus 1 equal to minus 3x. Shift this 3x to this side. You will get 3x plus 2y minus 1. Okay, have I made any mistake? Oh yeah, this will become 2. So minus 2 equal to 0. So 3x plus 2y minus 2 equal to 0 is the equation of a required line. Right? Okay. Now second one. He's saying find the equation of a line. Okay, this is our required line. This is parallel to this line. Okay, this is parallel to this line and the equation of this line is given. That means we are sure to find the slope of this required line by finding the slope of this line. This is my required line. And passing through the midpoint of the line segment joining this and this. Now see, here we already had a point. We only had to calculate the slope. Here we can calculate the slope, but point is not given. But we can find the point of the required line by finding the midpoint of this and this. This is B, right? So what is the midpoint of AB? Let's calculate midpoint of AB. Midpoint of AB will be the point through which our required line is passing. So midpoint of AB will be x1 plus x2 by 2. So that is 2 minus 4 by 2. And y1 plus y2 by 2. That is 7 plus 1 by 2. So this is minus 2 by 2. That is minus 1. This is 8 by 2, that is 4. So our required line passes through minus 1 and 4. We have found the point. Now we find the slope from this equation because our required line is parallel to this line. So slope of this line will be the slope of this line. So 5y is equal to minus 2x plus 9. We are converting this into the standard form. Y is equal to minus 2 by 5x plus 9 by 5. So what is my slope here? Minus 2 by 5. Now I have got slope also, minus 2 by 5. I have got point also. I can find the equation of a required line by point slope form. So therefore, equation of a required line will be y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1, right? Now this becomes, okay, let me write the points here. I have minus 1 and 4 and I have this slope as minus 2 and 5. This is my x1, this is my y1. So let me substitute y minus 4 is equal to minus 2 by 5 into x minus x1, that is plus 1, right? So let me cross multiply. This will become 5y minus 20 equal to minus 2x minus 2. So my x should be positive. So let me shift all of them to one side. So this will become 2x plus 5y minus 20 plus 2 equal to 0. So finally my equation will be 2x plus 5y minus 18 equal to 0. This will be the equation of a required line.